Welcome to the channel. Imagine trading crypto with the peace of mind that all of your funds are in one of the safest exchanges in the world. Well, that's Kraken, and we're going to get into it, but before we do, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Let's jump into the exchange. Are you looking for a trusted exchange, and what would be the best one if you could use it? Well, Kraken is a trusted crypto exchange for beginners and advanced traders alike. Today, we're going to look at it, the intricacies of it, and learn more about it. Before we do, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you are not willing to lose. They have been around for over a decade. This is not a new exchange. It has been around the block for over a decade. They have strong security. They have good measures in place. You can see their crypto portfolio here, and I personally use this as well. Now, what are some features that I like? There's fiat to crypto, so you can do that. You can get cash if you want. You can also deposit USD, euros, Great Britain pounds, all that good stuff. And it makes buying crypto really, really straightforward and easy with third-party apps. That's why it's simple. You get education, and they have a service right here. You also get professional level trading, and you do not have to leave the platform. They all do it here. So you can get your crypto, you can get your trading experience, you can get everything essentially in one place. And you stake, you can earn, which is essentially mining without the whole, hardware and doing all that stuff. So you can stake, you can earn, you can grow things passively, just like you would interest in a bank. And it's transparent with proof of reserves and everything you need, low spreads, liquidity, high limit rates. Plus, it supports over 200 cryptocurrencies and 24/7 customer support whenever needed. So we're going to go ahead and log in. All right, so here we can see inside, we can see that we can buy and sell different types of crypto products right here. We can also do transfers. We have our portfolio to the left here. We can also see the Explore. You can earn through staking and different activities as well. So here we can see featured tokens as well as gainers, what's hot, what's listed, all the cool things. And Explore right here, plus meme coins, high APR, where you can buy assets and you can also stake as well. And the activity that's going on in the market, which is pretty interesting to see. And your activity right here. So you can see I did crypto to fiat. So that is Kraken in a nutshell. Very, very intuitive, very easy to use. I really like this. I think it has a very, very simple and easy to use UI as well. You can do zero fees trading, as I said here, run up to 2% APR. See the most bought assets, the biggest movers. So I'm just going to keep it simple, guys. If you want a secure, reliable, feature-rich, and easy place to trade crypto, Kraken has it covered. Sign up and explore its tools today. I think you'll be very impressed. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and catch you in the next one.